Okay, so this is your last maths lesson of the week. 7 times table, not too tricky. Lots of you are already good at your 7 times table. So we're going to start on question 7. Let's begin. Right, a computer mouse costs £7. The keyboard costs 6 times as much as the mouse. How much does a mouse and a keyboard cost in total? Oh, I bet I've got to catch some of you out in here. This is actually a 2-step problem. Step 1 is to find out how much the keyboard costs. Okay, and then step 2 will be to find out how much the keyboard, I'm going to put KB, and the mouse cost altogether. Now, if you don't know what a computer mouse looks like, it used to look a little bit like this. And you had 2 buttons here and here that you could press. It's connected to your computer and you could swiggle it around and be able to operate the cursor. These days you tend to have a touchpad. Anyway, this costs £7. Okay? A keyboard costs 6 times as much as the mouse. So the keyboard costs 6 times £7, which is, that's right, £42. Now, I bet some of you have just written £42 and thought you've got the answer, but you haven't, because the question is, how much does a mouse and a keyboard cost in total? So the keyboard we know is £42, the mouse is £7, so our answer for both items is £49. The last question, I think. No, it's not, it's question 8. Use the cards to write a division calculation. Okay, got to use the cards there. Now, how many different divisions can you write and can you use all of the cards? Right, I'm going to start with the simplest that I can think of, and that's going to be 7 divided by 1 is 7. So I've used that one, that one, that one, and that one. But I've got some other cards that I could use as well. How about this one? 77 divided by 11 equals 7. Have I used them all now? Yes, I have. Tick, Mrs. Eden. Did you get those? Let's move on to what is the last question now. Right, use counters to make an array to show 3 times 5 and 3 times 7. That's job 1. Then, how can you use the arrays to work out 3 times 7? Okay, let's start with job 1. Let's draw 3 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 rows of 5. And my total there is 15. I'm now going to do 3 times 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 groups of 2. And my total there is 6. So it says, or the question says, how can I use that to work out 3 times 7? Well, if I've got 3 times 5, I can add 3 times 7, and I should get the answer. Let's do a check. Pen change. Right, so 15 add 6. 15 add 6 equals 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. There you go. So what we did is we split up our second number, our 7, with 3 times 5 and 3 times 2, because 5 adds 2, 5 add 2 equals 7, and we got the same answer. Right, that's the end of the week's maths. Some of you might be feeling very clever and want to go on to the challenge or the optional sheet. Please do so if you would like to. Use your answer booklet sheets to mark the work. And then if there's anything that you're finding really tricky, let Mr. Smells or myself know, and we will see if we can help you with it. Okay, have a lovely weekend. Bye.